Welcome to Joystick. In this video, you are going to learn how to install pip in Mac. You can follow the same procedure to install pip in Windows as well. Pip is a package management system in Python that is used for installing and managing Python softwares and libraries. Python softwares and libraries are available in an online repository known as Python Package Index, abbreviated as PYPI. This procedure to install pip is going to work only if Python 3 is installed on your machine. So, as a part of the installation process, I'm going to first tell you how to check if Python 3 is installed on your machine. Then we are going to directly download the script getpip.py using the curl command. And finally, we are going to execute this downloaded script to install pip in the machine. So let's first check if Python 3 is installed. For that, I'm going to open the terminal. There you go. My terminal is open. I have adjusted it a little bit. Now I'm going to check if Python 3 is installed on my machine or not. For that, the command is python 3 --version. You can see that Python 3 is installed on my machine because the output of this command displays Python version 3.9.7. Now, as the second step, we are going to download the getpip.py script. We are going to directly download it using the curl command. So I have it already prepared. I am going to provide it in the description box as well. So you can check the description box of this video to copy and paste this command directly. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. Let's run it. You can see that it has been executed successfully. So I'm sure that getpip.py has been downloaded in my system, in my machine. Step 3 will be to execute this downloaded file getpip.py. So for that, I'm going to write python 3. After a space, I'm going to write the name of the file, which is getpip.py. I'm going to hit enter and the installation begins. And after a few seconds, I see that pip has been successfully installed on my machine, on my Mac. I'll write pip 3 --version. There you go. It says that pip 21.3.1 has been installed on my machine. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do subscribe to Joystick if you haven't already. Do let me know if you face any issues during the installation of pip in your system. I will help you as much as I can. I look forward to help you with Python programming. And only for this video, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.